Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Acura fob. So first off, we're going to go ahead and take out this bottom screw right here. You're going to need a little small Phillips screwdriver. So you'll just unscrew this right here. I believe it's a pH0 size. So you'll just take that out right there. Pull this out like that. Don't lose your screw. Go ahead and hit your key, put your key out like that. Pull that out. Just like that. And then you'll have your electronics, so just go ahead and pop those out just like that. You'll have this piece, and then you'll have your electronics all like that. And so there's going to be a little, you get a flathead screwdriver for this part right here, so there's a little cutout right there. So just go ahead and just pry around just like that. So then you'll have a CR1616 battery right there. So then you take your flathead screwdriver, pop that out, and then we'll replace it with a new one right here. So actually, I was putting it in backwards. So put the writing face down, plus side down, like that. You'll pop that in there. So then we'll go ahead and put this back the way it came on, just like that, right there. Well, actually, that's upside down. So go just like that. See, you're just like that right there. Make sure it's all clicked in properly. Make sure all the buttons work. Just go ahead and pop it in just like this. And we're going to go in just like this. Go in sort of the angle just like this. Pop that in right there, and don't forget the screw on the bottom. Right there, so then we'll get our little small pH0 screwdriver. Tighten that up, and there you go.